you would want to use it and ways you can use it. So peppermint essential oil has so many uses. It's a very strong smelling oil as well, especially the doTERRA peppermint oil. It is so pure and so strong. 1 drop of it is equal to 28 cups of peppermint tea. So yeah, just the smell of 1 drop is so powerful. So ways I use doTERRA's peppermint essential oil. The primary way, and the way I was introduced to this essential oil, was to put 1 drop in my hand, rub the palms of my hands together, and just breathe in, and it instantly opens up your airways. It clears your lungs, clears your sinuses, and it just completely refreshes you. So that's one I will use often in the afternoon when I need that little pick-me-up. Maybe I don't have time to go and get a coffee, or I just want something, I had too many coffees. This is when I will get my peppermint essential oil. 1 drop in my hands, and I just breathe it in. It instantly wakes me up, refreshes me, and it just smells amazing. So what you can actually do with just the residue that's on your hands from that 1 drop is actually take a little bit in the palm of your hand and put it under your tongue. You can also rub your hands together, put them behind your neck, a little tiny bit on your temples, and you can even give yourself a bit of a shoulder rub as well. So this is a great way because you've actually now just used 1 drop of essential oil in, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ways just with that 1 drop. So I've actually used it to clear my airways, refresh myself, wake myself up, give myself a little energy boost. And then by putting a little drop on, well, not even a drop, just the residue of what was left from the palm of my hands underneath my tongue, it's actually refreshing my breath. It actually feels like I've had a breath mint now. Then with the little bits left over, by rubbing this on my temples, if you had any kind of head tension, headache, anything like that, it's going to help you, help support you with that. You can also, as I just did, massage it on your shoulders and back of your neck. Peppermint oil is very cooling, so it brings the body temperature down. Great if you have a stiff neck or some tension there as well. It's going to help relieve that tension. So just that 1 little drop in so many ways. So that's a couple of the ways I use peppermint oil. Another way would be in my diffuser. So I like adding it with a couple of drops of wild orange as well. So the wild orange and the peppermint, just to refresh and make the home smell great and sort of give you that energized feeling. Also, like I said, 1 drop was equal to 28 cups of peppermint tea. Usually I would feel like a peppermint tea when I have a sore stomach, I'm not feeling very well. So in place of your peppermint tea, if you really need that extra strong peppermint to give you that instant relief, you can actually put 1 drop of peppermint oil into some warm, not boiling water. I would probably do it in warm or hot water, and sip on that, and will help you if you do have a sore stomach or you're really not feeling well. If you are going to take essential oil internally, I would very highly recommend doTERRA, because I know doTERRA's oils, the ones that are for internal use, are safe to have internally. The reason being they are pure, they're undiluted, whereas some essential oils that you may buy, off the shelf in, your supermarket, they've got a lot of nasties in them and things that you would probably not want to be ingesting. They actually would probably say on the bottle not to be taken internally, and that is because there are some ingredients in there listed on the bottle, and sometimes not even listed on the bottle, that can be harmful. So with doTERRA's peppermint essential oil, this one is very safe for you to ingest. You only need a tiny bit anyway because it is so strong. Another really fun way I like to use peppermint essential oil is actually in baking as well. It is amazing with chocolate. So you could add a couple of drops, maybe 2 or 3 drops to your batch of brownies or chocolate cake. Really nice in a chocolate smoothie as well. Just 1 drop into a chocolate smoothie, it's like a match made in heaven. So yes, that's just a couple of ways to use peppermint essential oil. If you would like tips on using essential oils and you'd like to know more, please subscribe to this channel. I will be bringing out more videos on individual essential oils and how to use them. Also, if you don't have any essential oils and you are looking to start an essential oil collection and just start using them in your home in your day-to-day life, get in touch with me. I will have a link at the bottom of this video to my website, where I do have information on how you can get started with doTERRA and how you can actually join our team and purchase oils, essential oils at a discount for yourself, or even to start your own doTERRA essential oil business. So if you are interested in any of that at all, just get in touch with me, comment below, or visit my website. So thanks for watching, and I look forward to making more videos like these very soon. Thank you. Bye.